No kids can go sledding today. No grown-ups can go outside, at least until they need to shovel. But that shoveling I do is when the snow will stop remaining from the top of the sky. Now it is hardly to see that you cannot drive in the snowbank, so no driving today. Please stay at your home. No going places, no sledding, no.
Okay, wrap it up. Say thank you from Hannah Lally.